up, setting the town, asking for Mr. Brown.